phenomenal Raja Adav Karthikeyan. He's very smart boy. He always engages the classroom actively. He's an enthusiastic learner. He's good at coloring. He's excellent in academics as well as sports.
One school, Acharya.
Next up is our wise Raja Advik. He's calm and a compassionate child. He has good grasping skill. He is good at storytelling and reciting rhymes. He is an excellent role model for his peers. Keep demonstrating those great study habits, Advik. Next up is our smart Raja Devik Dev. He is lovable and an affectionate child. He performs well in 3C activity. He eagerly participates in gross motor and fine motor skills. He is good at sports. It's time to call our enthusiastic Raja Guhan. He is always on time and ready to shine. He is very humble and obedient child. He is a great role model for his peers with his excellent behavior. Now we'll call upon intelligent Raja Hrithik. He is an enthusiastic, charismatic child. He always freely shares his thoughts and opinions. He is an excellent student in academics and sports. Now, excellent Raja Mitran on stage. He is a tiny star. He is good at reciting rhymes. Listening to rhymes makes me overwhelmed in his music. Let's call upon admirable Raja Mukund. He is very charming like a rose. His positive behavior attracts everyone in the campus. He is good at coloring as well as extracurricular activities. Now, I invite Raja Naksh Kanaka Sapapati on the stage. Raja Naksh is an energetic child. Every day is an adventure for him. Everyone likes his naughtiness. He is good at sports and academics. He is an ambidextrous child. It's time to call upon excellent Raja Pranav. Raja Pranav is a brilliant child. He lights up the classroom with his curiosity. He excels in academics as well as extracurricular activities. I am glad to welcome stunning Raja Vignesh Vishnu. He is a smart child. He is very much interested in sports. His competitive spirit is inspiring others. Let's welcome lovable Rani Kayalisai. Rani Kayalisai is a wonderful child. She is a shining example of kindness and empathy. Her willingness to help others is truly inspiring. I am glad to invite dazzling Rani Lakshara. Rani Lakshara is a friend maker. She is making friends with everyone in the classroom. Friendship is her superpower. Let's invite gorgeous Rani Litvika on stage. Rani Litvika is a beautiful child. Her cute smile admires everyone in the campus. Her cuteness makes our heart skip a bit. I'm delighted to call fabulous Rani Mahita on stage. Rani Mahita is a lovable child. She is good at coloring. She is very much interested in handling Montessori equipment.